Thanks for joining me. Box of Sand Stories. I'd like to show you what we're doing today. Little roof setup for some brick masonry repair. Pressure washing, water repellent, and they're getting a custom cap for pressure washing. Change pressure wash. Top side. At the inside. It'll be ground out. It's all gonna get repointed. Okay, here we are. Chimney's freshly pointed. I wanted to show you what it looks like before the custom cap. Just coming around the front. Okay, friends and family. Here's the end of the day here. Custom outside mount, powder coated aged copper. Thanks for joining me today. Box of Sand Stories.